The new Kia Sorento comes available in 3 different powertrain options: hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and diesel. The hybrid, recognizable by the Eco Hybrid emblem on the tailgate, is powered by a 1.6 turbocharged gasoline direct injection engine and an electric motor that delivers a combined power output of 230 PS. The plug-in hybrid Sorento, available later on in the year, powered by the same TGDI engine and a more powerful electric motor, kicks out a whopping 265 PS in total. Both systems are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. The diesel Sorento is powered by a 2.2 CRDI engine and delivers a power output of 202 PS. It is mated with Kia's newly developed 8-speed wet dual-clutch transmission. All 3 powertrains provide all-wheel drive capabilities. Performant and equipped with Kia's SmartStream powertrain technology, they deliver the promise of enhanced fuel economy, engaging drivability, and lower CO2 emissions. Since its launch in 2002, the Sorento model has sold globally more than 3 million versions, making the 7-seat SUV a big success for Kia. Now, more powerful, progressive, and spacious than ever, the new Kia Sorento raises standards in its class when it comes to efficiency, comfort, and technology. Let's take a closer look at the new Kia Sorento. Sporty, bold, and modern, the new Sorento has a massive presence on the road. It has straight lines, boldly sculpted surfaces, and accentuated corners that define its masculine design character. The signature tiger nose grille in glossy black is filled with strong trapezoidal shapes and connects subtly with the sleek full LED headlamps. The LED daytime running light, separated from the modules of the headlamp, gives the front an intense impression and also functions as a turn signal. The lower air intake in glossy black that at each end extends into the air curtain garnishes has a wing-shaped dynamic design and houses the LED fog lamps. Finally, the front is complemented with a sporty bumper lip and a silver skid plate. The rear of the Sorento, as sporty as its front, features a bumper garnish that is designed in a way to mimic sporty tailpipes at each end. Striking design elements on the rear are the vertical LED tail lamps, and centered on the tailgate, the model name Sorento in capital chrome finish letters. The rear wiper that is typically found in this area is hidden inside the roof spoiler, making the rear of the Sorento look very clean and modern, and improving rear visibility for the driver. On the side, the roof rails, the cladding along the body, and increased distance between the tires and wheel arches accentuate Sorento's SUV character. Sorento comes available in 10 different paint finishes and only in alloy wheels ranging up to 20-inch. Few glossy black and satin chrome design elements on the side emphasize Sorento's sportiness and premium elegance.